Light warrior, keep moving forward unless it's time to go backwards. Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on their evolutionary journey. We need to deal with this Mercury retrograde 3 times a year. Mercury retrograde. One of the craziest things about Mercury retrograde is all the weird things that happen to our electronics. Have you ever experienced any weird things happening with your electronics? Whether it's a cell phone, computer, any type of electronics. All these weird, unexplained things. However, this is just evidence of other energies in this universe. So maybe the unexplained can be unexplained. All of these unexplained situations that happen with our electronics. Mercury retrograde is an energy. You see, light warrior, everything in this universe is energy, frequency, and vibration. So it's just about understanding the energy. And since everything is energy, don't you think a planet can have energy that affects our everyday lives? Mercury retrograde's energy, or the theme, is going backwards. You see, we always want to move forward, and we always should we should always move forward, but sometimes due to the energy we need to go backwards. So sometimes going backwards can be a good thing. Mercury retrograde can be used to our advantage. It's like navigating waves, right? If you're out in the ocean, you want to navigate waves. Navigating energies, waves of our universe. These energies affect us and they have themes. So this theme is about going backwards. Time to self-reflect. Go back and improve things from your past. Things you might have worked on, go back and improve these things. Sometimes we always want to keep going to the next level, keep moving forward, but that does not happen in nature, in reality. Even certain things like stocks and growth, sometimes things go up and down, okay? But they will continue to move the correlation forward and upwards, but they kind of move up and down, but they're still peaking to the top. So sometimes taking a step back is actually a good thing for your progress. Kind of like when you need to jump over a big ditch, right? Sometimes we go backwards, get a running start, and then move forward. So sometimes we need that running start. And if we understand Mercury retrograde and this energy, we can apply this to our everyday lives. So just instead of just laying idle, quivering in fear about Mercury retrograde, we need to deal with the craziness with electronics, all these things going on around us, right? We cannot control what is around us. But if we are conscious about what is going on around us, we could be able to navigate this energy. So take a step back, self-reflect, maybe go over some projects that you have in the past and improve. You see, I am doing this and applying this right now, going over Mercury retrograde and bringing better quality with the new energies that you all have given to me. So sometimes go back, sometimes declutter during Mercury retrograde. Go back through your things and remove things from your life that no longer serve your purpose, your greatest purpose. So yet again, we should always move forward, but sometimes we cannot force the issue to move forward. Sometimes we need to take a step back, and that's how you navigate Mercury retrograde. Take a step back and don't expect, never expect, hope, but never expect. Take a step back and use Mercury retrograde to your advantage by improving things from the past, decluttering your life, and just be conscious not to take any risks and try to move forward during this time. Sometimes in the long run, self-reflection and improvement will make you go further on your journey. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious of the energy of Mercury retrograde and use this energy to your advantage. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. I am Michael. Find us in the 5th dimension. Have a wonderful day living your everyday life. And a wonderful day during Mercury retrograde. Sometimes we need to just ride the wave. Can't force it because the wave will topple us over. But learn to ride this energy wave of Mercury retrograde. Let's go back.